Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will create fire particles in Blender. Go to the top left on your screen, click on Add and choose UV Sphere. Press 3 on the numpad for orthographic side view. Press Tab on your keyboard to enable edit mode. Select wireframe view or press Z twice. Press B to select the upper part of the sphere, and stretch it upwards. Press Tab again to return to object mode. Scale the particle down, across the X and Z axis by holding the blue square. Go back to material mode. Select the particle, go to the Properties tab, head down to Material Properties, and press the plus icon. Click on Principled BSDF and select Emission. Change the color to a somewhat saturated orange-yellow color, and increase the strength. Make sure to enable Bloom on from the Render Properties tab. Now the particle is ready. Move it away from the scene, and add a plane. Go Particle Properties, and press on the plus icon. Scroll down to Render and change Halo to Object. Go to Instance Object and select the particle you just made. Uncheck Show Emitter. Change the scale randomness to fit your preferences. Scroll up to Rotation, enable it and increase Randomize Factor. Finally, add a force field and place it under the plane. Go to Physics Properties and increase the strength to 10. Now press play and particles should work. For depth of field, add a camera and move it back. Go to Camera Settings and enable Depth of Field. Go back to Render Properties and make sure you have those depth of field settings. Add an empty. Select the camera, go to Camera Settings, Depth of Field, and select Empty in Focus on Object. Now, decrease the f-stop until you get this product. Thanks for watching. Follow for more tips and tutorials.